Hi, you're watching Next Tech. In today's video, we're going to cover how to start a digital marketing agency with no experience. It may seem challenging at first, but it's absolutely achievable if you follow the right steps. So let's jump into a step-by-step guide to help you launch your own agency, even as a complete beginner. 1. Self-education. Learn the basics. Start with free resources like online courses, blogs, and podcasts. Websites like HubSpot Academy, Google Digital Garage, and Coursera are great starting points. Specialize. Focus on mastering one area first, whether it's social media marketing, SEO, or paid ads, before broadening your scope. Nasher 2. Build your own brand. Create a website. Build a professional website to serve as both your portfolio and a showcase of your skills. Leverage social media. Establish your brand on social media by sharing valuable content, insights, and success stories that demonstrate your expertise. 3. Offer services for free or at a discount. Start with friends and family. Offer your services to friends, family, or small businesses for free or at a lower cost to build your portfolio. Case studies. Document the results of these early projects as case studies to attract future clients. 4. Network and build relationships. Join communities. Be active in digital marketing communities on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, or Reddit to network and learn from others. Attend events. Participate in webinars, workshops, or industry events to expand your knowledge and connections. 5. Learn by doing. Run campaigns. Start by running small digital marketing campaigns for your own brand or personal projects to gain hands-on experience. Stay updated. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, so keep yourself informed on new tools, trends, and strategies. 6. Focus on niche markets. Pick a niche. Narrow your focus to a specific market or industry, like real estate marketing or local businesses, to build credibility and expertise faster. Customize services. Tailor your offerings to address the specific challenges within your chosen niche. 7. Use affordable tools, free and low-cost tools. Leverage free tools like Canva, Buffer, and Google Analytics to handle tasks like design, scheduling, and performance tracking. Automation. Streamline your workflow with automation tools to save time on repetitive tasks like social media posting. 8. Start small and scale. Work with small clients. Don't worry about landing big clients right away. Focus on smaller clients who are more likely to work with a new agency. Gradually scale. As you gain experience, slowly increase your rates and broaden your client base. 9. Work on your sales pitch. Highlight value. Focus on the value and results you can bring to clients, even if you're just starting out. Your strategic thinking and problem-solving abilities are key selling points. Ask for referrals. Happy clients are your best marketers. Encourage them to refer your agency to others. Starting a digital marketing agency with no experience is all about being proactive, staying dedicated to learning, and consistently building your portfolio over time. Stay patient, and success will follow. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, goodbye.